Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Tailwind CSS version 4 on Vue.js project. I have created a Vue project over here. If you don't know how to create a Vue project, I highly recommend you watch my previous video. I will put the link about how to install Vue.js in the description. This is a Vue project, it's up and running. So first of all, I want you to go to TailwindCSS.com and then go to get started. You will see over here it is Tailwind version 4. Then you go to using Vite, because I create Vue projects by using Vite. Okay, and over here you will see, you will copy this command and paste it over here. I'm going to stop the application, Ctrl C, Y, hit enter and paste the command over here. Hit enter. And next, in vite.config.ts, we are going to import Tailwind CSS. Copy this one and go to vite.config.js and paste this over here. And next, we will use Tailwind CSS in plugin. Over here, plugin, and then we put this Tailwind CSS over here. Okay, save. And next, we are going to import Tailwind CSS in CSS files. So for the CSS file, you will see styles over here. This is the default CSS that comes with the project. We are going to remove them all and then copy this one, import this over here. Save, and over here run npm run dev to open the application again. There is an error, so what's wrong? There is no S over here. Sorry, I make a mistake over here. Save it and run npm run dev again. Run dev, hit enter. Okay, the application is up and running. Let's open this again. So you will see the styles is changed. So let's remove some code that's come with the project. So I'm going to remove the styles over here. And over here, I don't want to import hello world. So let's remove this one. And let's try to remove all of this one. And let me copy the code that's used to test Tailwind over here. This code h1, copy it and put this over here, and let's see if it works. Save. So I go back to the application. You will see hello world and underline. So Tailwind CSS work in our projects. For example, if I put like BG color over here, background red 500. Save, and I go back to here, see. And for example, in div over here, I put class container and mx auto. Save. You will see it work. Because I have installed Tailwind CSS IntelliSense over here. So if you need autocomplete to work, you have to install Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. And you will see that there is no auto suggestion over here. But if I need suggestion after install Tailwind IntelliSense, I have to create a new file, tailwind.config.js. So these files will enable autocomplete in Tailwind IntelliSense. Okay, and then if I come here and I press Ctrl space, you will see auto suggestion over here. And for example, if I use padding P5 over here, you will see padding 5. See, and it's work over here. So if I put padding over here, 6, save, and I come here, see. And how about for example, if I create a component, hello tailwind.view. Let me create view template over here. Okay, template over here, and then let me create div over here. Hello Tailwind, and push me class text 3XL 4XL, and then text blue 500. Save it, and then let me import this component in app over here. Let me import hello Tailwind from this one, and then let me use this over here. Let me create another div over here, and then put the component over here. Hello Tailwind. Save, and let's see if it's work. See, the styles also work in the component over here.